before we're through.
Okay, plan A. Hold your breath.
Okay, plan J. Distract the hiccuper from hiccuping by having them perform a complex activity. I feel ridiculous.
All that matters is results, Sonny. Well, why are you and I standing on our heads too?
Standing on your head can stop hiccuping.
But we're not hiccuping.
Exactly my point.
I think there's a minor flaw in your logic since Cody's the one who's been hiccuping.
And in case you hadn't noticed, he's suddenly not hiccuping either. I tell you, Granny Peters, Harry and I are at our wits' end. Every attempt, no matter how brilliant, has failed.
Have you tried hypnotism?
Hypnotism's just a parlor trick.
It doesn't work.
You do not have hiccups. You do not have hiccups. I do not have hiccups. I do not have hiccups.
Like I was saying, Granny Peters, hypnotism just doesn't work.
Well, I think it does. At least sometimes. Okay, we're at Plan W and still no solution in sight. We've tried shocks, we've tried holding our breath, we tried weird actions, distractions, and even hypnotism. What do you think, Granny Peters? Well, then again, it just dawned on me. We haven't tried We've got to find a solution. What do you think, Granny Peters?
Well,
Wait! I've got another great idea!
Oh, another one?
We still haven't tried. Okay, the perfect way to cure you-know-what is with a good old-fashioned tongue twister. Now, Gummy, say this after me. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers.
Unless they've invented a new alphabet, we've only got 2 more chances left.
We can do it! Those hicks will not emerge victorious! You still haven't told us what you think, Granny Peters!
I actually can't think of anything. Other than, of course, you know what they say about curing the ups.
We already tried that.
Well, sorry.
Yeah, we already tried it, but it didn't work.
Are you sure?
Well, sure I'm sure, because every time we tried before, the one with the hiccups still wound up having the hiccups. On second thought, maybe that yay was the tiniest bit premature. Still, I guess there's some small comfort in knowing that things can't get much worse.
Why is the phrase total disaster suddenly springing to mind?
Actually, Harry, you might be wrong.
Do you know a phrase that means something worse than total disaster?
No, I mean, maybe we're just looking at this whole hiccups thing wrong. Maybe it might not be so bad.